Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
The Breville Dual offers the benefits of two stainless steel boilers and strong Italian pumps for simultaneous extraction and steaming. Additionally, a convenient auto start feature can be programmed to preheat the machine at a preset time. Water hardness test strip, built-in descaling alert, LCD is hard to read. Nuova Simonelli Musica. The backlit buttons on the Nuova Simonelli Musica make it possible to program and select up to 3 independent water dosages when pulling a shot. An integrated heat exchanger keeps the internal temperature consistent throughout each brewing cycle. Durable portafilter top can be used a cup warmer, it's very bulky. Gaggia Babila. Thanks to a handy flow knob, the Gaggia Babila enables you to control its level of bean extraction, while the height-adjustable dispenser makes it easy to pour any freshly brewed espresso, latte or flat white into a large mug or to-go cup. Bypass doser for pre-ground coffee. Double-chambered milk carafe. Automatic rinsing and descaling. The Seco Zelsis offers several practical features to increase barista efficiency, including a front access water tank, adjustable spouts, 6 customizable user profiles, and a purifying filter that yields up to 5,000 cups without a need to decale the machine. Scratch-resistant drip tray, 2-year warranty, sleek titanium exterior. The Breville Oracle Touch is equipped with an expansion valve that limits the water pressure coming from its internal pump, preventing bitterness by gently expanding coffee grounds for even extraction. A self-cleaning steam wand gives your milk a rich, velvety texture. Intuitive touchscreen, digital temperature control, conical burr